WiMi Hologram Academy, new smart transportation infrastructure based on augmented reality technology. Digital twin technology has been fully applied in the development process of many cities in China. In the era of rapid development of cloud computing, big data, AI, and Internet of Things technologies, the immersive application scenario technology has become promising because of the development of VR technology. In addition, our VR technology can carry diversified applications such as video, games, entertainment, e-commerce, and local information services, so as to create a comprehensive and three-dimensional sensory experience and consumer services, and stimulate more information consumption potential. Scientists who are from WiMi Hologram Academy of WiMi Hologram Cloud discussed a new smart transportation infrastructure based on augmented reality technology, 5G artificial intelligence, big data, and other information technologies will accelerate the integration of consumer demand with the clothing industry, house industry, transportation, health and fitness, and other needs. It will change the whole social and economic operation mode and promote the intelligent upgrading of people's livelihood service infrastructure. The following is WiMi Hologram Academy's integration view of science and technology, which has frontier guiding significance. Since 2017, our devices have shifted to the enterprise market with more clear demand because it fails to attract consumers. After several years of product iteration and market education, our equipment has gradually gained a firm foothold in vertical industries such as education, industry, and security, attracting more and more government and enterprise customers. Since 2018, the industry's demand for AR has gradually converged to two core scenarios in the industrial field. One is remote collaboration, and the other is visual guidance and training. In security, tourism, and other fields, AR plays a similar role, mainly providing users with additional information through image recognition, including human identity information and the introduction of museum exhibits. Our technology is developing steadily in the industry, but our technology also has drawbacks in the consumer sector. The root cause of the development trend of our technology can be summarized as the internal cause lies in the development and maturity of our technology, and the external cause is that the industry field and the consumption field have a completely different underlying logic. First of all, it is the maturity problem of our technology development. At present, battery technology, chip energy consumption, wearable experience, and other aspects will limit the use scope of our devices, making it difficult to popularize. It is also because of the immaturity of these key system components that current consumer AR devices are mostly split designs. Glasses are responsible for displaying our images and video acquisition and are connected to external batteries and computing modules through data lines. This split design clearly limits the portability of our devices, preventing them to fail in the consumer sector in the short term. Secondly, the different underlying logic in the consumer field and the industrial application field causes the AR technology to adopt different product planning routes in the two markets respectively. The underlying logic of consumer products focuses on user experience. However, due to the current stage of battery technology, chip energy consumption, wearable experience, and other aspects the shortcomings, the consumption level of our devices have the following defects: cannot wear for a long time, but also encounter sweating, difficult to replace the battery and other problems. In terms of gesture recognition, installing an extra 3D camera not only increases the cost but also increases power consumption and learning costs for users. So in the consumer space, traditional tech giants have quietly shifted the focus of our technology to software for the wind. The underlying logic of products in the industry is cost reduction and efficiency increase. If you are a manufacturer, the device can increase your production by 1%, and you will also buy it. Moreover, the products focusing on industrial applications are basically dedicated products, which only need to meet the specific tasks of specific scenarios. So in the function selection, hardware configuration, industrial design should be focused on choice and restraint. That is to say, the underlying logic of the industry application of cost reduction and efficiency increase focuses on cost performance. Although the plan may not be perfect, as long as the overall plan can save the cost and bring the benefits multiplied, enterprises are willing to list it. That is why our equipment is gradually gaining a firm foothold in vertical industries such as education, industry, and security, attracting more and more government and corporate customers. The underlying logic in industry applications just points out a potential direction for the application of our technology in other emerging industries, such as the new infrastructure aspect of smart transportation. There are the following 4 core demands in the field of smart transportation. Safety. In terms of safety, under the coordinated control of an artificial intelligence system, people, cars, and roads will interact in real time, and the probability of traffic accidents will be significantly reduced. After the era of driverless driving, drunk driving, road rage, red light running, and fatigue driving will be fundamentally solved. Convenient. In terms of convenience, the current transportation system lacks systematization and coordination, and different transportation modes fail to play a linkage role. Taking transfer as an example, the unreasonable setting of subway stations and bus stations leads to high time costs for the transfer. After the application of artificial intelligence technology, predicting the changes in urban traffic flow, helping transportation operators to better set up bus and subway stations and arrange the route reasonably, bringing many conveniences to people's production in life. Efficient. The intelligent transportation system can implement integrated optimization, coordinate all resources through the intelligent transportation brain, help people to formulate more scientific and reasonable travel plans, and improve the carrying capacity and traffic operation efficiency of the traffic network. Transportation, as a high-frequency rigid demand, will have a direct impact on people's living standard and quality. In the intelligent transportation system, the needs of people will be fully respected, and the system will allocate resources from the perspective of the whole urban transportation ecology, be people-oriented, and realize a high degree of harmony between people, cars, and roads. Around the above 4 core demands in the field of intelligent transportation, upholding the industry application to production efficiency as the core of the author's efficiency of the underlying product logic, our technology is expected to be more efficient and convenient for human-computer interaction. Intelligent transportation, intelligent infrastructure network, global perception information. Import to the intelligent driving warehouse. Directly improve the division by personnel driving experience. In Mission Impossible 4, the image on the front windshield can not only display navigation information, but also show pedestrians and obstacles on the road ahead beyond the naked eye. And the touch operation is even more dazzling. Reversing vision, HUD, panoramic images, and so on are all mature applications of our technology in the automotive field. Can even in the Mission Impossible 4, similar to the science fiction HUD, because the new intelligent transportation infrastructure construction can provide a global network of intelligent perception information, which will make the car operation automation degree, safety degree to a new height. Autonomous driving currently requires 3 major infrastructures. The first point is the intelligent snatched car, which refers to carrying the advanced vehicle sensors, controller, actuator device, and integrating modern communication and network technology. Car, and car and road, car, and the cloud. Intelligent information exchange, sharing, with complex environment perception, intelligent decision making, collaborative control, and other functions, can achieve safe, efficient, comfortable energy saving, and eventually, implement an alternative to operate a new generation of cars. The second point is to provide a variety of information for intelligent and connected vehicles. Through the Internet of Vehicles built by 5G, VADO, we can realize the coordination between V2 vehicles in the surrounding environment, and provide a ubiquitous information network that provides accurate spatial and temporal location services for intelligent and connected vehicles. The Internet of Vehicles is such an information network. The third point is the autonomous driving high-precision map. Are maps also infrastructure? For autonomous driving maps, high-precision maps contain static information just like current maps, such as the shape of the road and its type, which can control the speed of curves. While entering under the viaduct or inside the tunnel, the inertial navigation system is automatically activated to make up for the shortcomings of the VADO navigation system. With the wisdom of transportation, new infrastructure road network global intelligent perception information can greatly meet the wisdom traffic 4 core demands of safety, convenient, efficient. Only the lack of the people-oriented key factor, because if the network global intelligent perception information can only in the vehicle operating system background to participate in automatic driving, although unknown to improve the efficiency of traffic, but the user is insensitive to let users can effectively feel that intelligent transportation brings a convenient experience. Intelligent transportation. New infrastructure provides intelligent information, must be involved in the process of human-computer interaction, must hit the user's eyes and ears. It requires an effective human-computer interaction medium, and our HUD is such a very appropriate human-computer interaction equipment. In this sense, our HUD can effectively help the new smart transportation infrastructure in the subsequent product prototype concept design. We must remember the different underlying product logic of industry application products and consumer field products, which can not only reduce costs and increase efficiency for manufacturers but also take into account the user experience. In this process, which information is the most useful to users and has the most audio-visual impact effect that is connected to the HUD of intelligent vehicles through the intelligent network facilities. How does the autonomous driving high-precision map intervene in the user's driving behavior? These are all meaningful topics.